Hello dear students, welcome back to mathematics class. Already you know we are estimating the numbers. Then in today's class we are going to learn about my practice time 6 and that is estimate the product. In previous videos you learned how to estimate the sum or a difference of the numbers. In today's class we are going to estimate the product. For this also you need to know this trick. If you know this trick then you can round off the numbers easily. Then you are going to find the product easily. So here the first one example I took from your my practice time 6 page number 104 second main estimate the product by first rounding of the numbers. In bracket they given you need to round off nearest to tens or hundreds or thousands. So here 4 examples are there. Among them I will solve here 2 examples and 2 you do as a homework. Okay. So here we need to round off the numbers. So first of all you need to see its numbers. See here what is there here? 61 is there. Okay, here 61 is there and here 23 is there and here nearest to tens is there. Means just you see one sign tens place, one sign tens place. For time being you hide this and here what is there? See in ones place 1 is there. So then there is no need to add here 1. So its round off number is 60. Okay, again next you again hide this and here what is there? 23 and see here in ones place what is there? 3. Okay, so 3 is there means it will come in tray number 1, then there is no need to add here, right? So the round off number of 23 is that is 20. So right here 120 and this becomes 4260. When I round off this 4261, no, it becomes 4260 and this 123 becomes 120. Okay, so multiply this number 4260 into 120. Then multiply this numbers 0, 0. When 0 is multiplied with the number, the product is 0. Next write here 0, 0. Again you take here, leave here one place. 2 into 0 is 0. 2 6 are 12. 2 2 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. 2 4 is 8. 2 into 0 is 0. 2 6 is 12. 2 2 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. 2 4 is 8. Again you leave here 1 2 places. Next multiply with this one. When any number is multiplied with 1, no, the product is the number itself. Already you know the multiplication properties. 1 into 0, 0, 1 6 is 6, 1 2 is 2, 1 4 is 4. So next you add this number 0, 0 and this becomes 2, 5 plus 6 is 11, 8 plus 2 is 10, 10 plus 1 is 11, 4 plus 1 is 5. So here, so the answer is 50, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 5 lakh, 11,200. Okay, so this step you have to solve the examples. Here I took one more example. See here 20. What is there here? 44 is there and here 0, 5 is there. So what to do here? See here for nearest to hundreds is there here. Okay, nearest to 100 is there means you see last 3 digits. So here you need to see here this tens place and here also 10th place is there. So here 4 is there. So that will come in tray number 1. Then there is no need to add here 1. So its round off number is 2100. Okay, into here also see here 0 is there. Then there is no need to add here 1. Then 3000. Okay, so the round off number of 3005 is 3000. So let us multiply this digits. See here if in case last zeros are there, then you multiply here 21 3s are 3 1s are 3 and 3 2s are 6 and put this last zeros. See here count how many zeros are there. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. So its answer is, see here, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So its answer is 63 lakh. So first to multiply 21 3s are 63 and remaining zeros you keep as at the end of this numbers. So this step you have to round up the numbers and to find the product. Next here one more question is there, third one, estimate the product by first rounding of the numbers. Estimate the product is already over. Next one, estimate the quotient by first rounding of the numbers as directed. Means here they given the numbers rounded off nearest to tens, rounded off nearest to hundreds, rounded off nearest to thousands they given. Okay, so let us solve the third main examples. Third main. Okay, so third main here what is there? 26,525 divided by 28, and you need to round off nearest to tens. We need to round off nearest to tens. Okay, so see here what to do. First you round off this number 26,525. Okay, so round off nearest to tens. Here 5 is there, in ones place 5 is there, means it will come in tray number 2. Then you need to add here 1, then it becomes 26,530. Okay, for time being you need to see this only. You round off nearest to this tens 25 and remaining digits you keep as it is. Next here 28 is there. So 28 is there, its round off nearest to tens is, see here 8 is there, means it will come in tray number 2. Then there is need to add here 1. Okay, so 2 plus 1 is 3 and this becomes 0. Now you divide the number. Okay, 26,530 divided by 30. So here 2, if I will take first 2 here, that is less than 30, 26 also less than 30, so I will take here 265. If you don't know 30 ones are table, if you know 3 ones are table, then you can write 30 ones are table easily. So let us write that. See here 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 15, 3 six are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24, 3 nines are 27, 3 tens are 30. So add this 0 and you will get 31's a table. So here 265 is there, less than 265 here what will come? 240. So 30 8's are 340. So here 5 minus 0 is 5, 6 minus 4 is 2. Here 240 will come. 2 minus 2 is 0. Again you take here 3 down. So 253 is there. Again what will come here? This 240 will come. 8's are 240. So 3 minus 0 is 3. 5 minus 4 is 1. 2 minus 2 is 0. Again you take this 0 down. So right here how much will come? 34's are 120, and here 0 minus 0 is 0, 3 minus 2 is 1, 1 minus 1 is 0. See here, first you need to round off nearest to tens, next you multiply the number and you will get the answer. Now next you need to divide the number. By dividing you will get the answer. So this type you have to round off nearest to tens. Now I will take one more example from your textbook, that is third main. Third main, 30,769 divided by 763, and that is nearest to 1000. 763 is there and you need to round off nearest to 1000 place. So here, yes, see here the number is there, you need to round off nearest to 1000. So take this example, 30,769 is there. So here nearest to 1000 means you need to see here 100 place. So here 7 is there, it will come in tray number 2. then you need to add here 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. So here you write here 3, 1 and this remaining terms becomes 0. So here 769 is there. Okay, 769 is there and you put here 0. If you are giving 0 before the number, no, it doesn't have any value. So here see what is there in 100 place. Yes, that is 7. It will come in tray number 2. Then you need to add here 1 in 1000 place. So 0 plus 1 is 1 and remaining terms becomes 1000. Okay. So next you need to divide the number. See here, if you know 10 ones are table, then 1000 ones are table is also very easy because 1000 ones are 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000. So that type the table will come here 3100, 31,000 divided by 1000. So the 1000 ones are, sorry, here 310 is there, means here 3 is also smaller than 1000, 31, 310, then directly I will take here 4 digit, 1000, 3s are 3000. Okay, so take here 0, 0, 1 minus 0 is 1, 3 minus 3 is 0. Again you take here 0, 1000 ones are 1000 and 0, 0, 0, 1 minus 1 is 0. So here the quotient is 31 and remainder is 0. So this type you need to solve the examples. See here, I have solved my practice time 6, second main, third main. There only 3 examples are there in second main, third main. Already I have solved 2 examples and remaining 1 you do as a homework and send it to my personal number. See here I have completed this lesson 4 operations. Here I have completed this lesson 4 operations and you have these 2 lessons for your preterm exam. Okay, that is first one large numbers and second one is 4 operations. So please keep practicing this all the examples. Okay, I hope this class is clear to you. Thank you.